What are y'all doing?
What am I doing?
You're not doing?
We're scratching his back.
You are.
I'm scratching my butt.
You're oh wow. You're scratching.
I want cheese.
Okay, no cheese for you.
Push it.
Was he being a grumpy butt?
Yeah.
He is.
Being a little grumpy.
See if he wants his pack.
Oh my God.
I know you do. Where do you want to go?
1, 2, 3.
Oh. You can hold him in a little bit. A little bit. Not right now. A little bit. There you go. You don't want it? You pick his head up a little bit.
Okay. I pick it up.
Where? Are y'all sweet?
Yeah.
All of your sweet?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Like go. No, up.
Uh-oh.
That's a little problem.
A little problem?
Yeah.
You got a little problem, huh?
Yeah, my arms can't hold his head all the way.
Oh. Is your little problem called Wrecker?
Yeah, because his head is so heavy.
Oh, okay.
Oh, got it.
Let's say bye.
Bye.
Oh, be easy.